Hi, I'm going to show you how you can finish the connection of ZFusion. The first thing that you'll want to do is go to the Zoom Marketplace. So here in the Zoom Marketplace, search for ZFusion for Salesforce. You'll see that you have an install button right here. Make sure that you're logged in as a user who has Zoom webinar permissions. Then install this application on the marketplace. And once that is installed, the first step is already completed. The second step is to go into your ZFusion application within Salesforce and go to the Zoom Connection tab. Here in the Zoom Connection tab, you'll see a Zoom API user and a Salesforce API user. We'll have to connect both of these. So I'm going to click Connect on both of these API users. And once they're connected, you'll see a green check mark on both of them. And yeah, that's basically how you connect the two. Once those two things are connected, you'll start seeing Zoom registrations come in to the application. Let us know if you have any questions about the connection process. Thank you.